Designing a workspace is about more than aesthetic. It's about creating an environment that inspires innovation, fosters collaboration, and reflects the values of the people who work there. At GM Syntex, our headquarters is a testament to this philosophy, designed with care, purpose, and vision. Hi, I'm Chania Kaur, the creative head at the Pure Concept Home, and the designer behind the redesigning of the space at GM Syntex headquarters in Mumbai. The space is a blend of legacy, modernity, and thoughtful design. It's all about warmth that we wanted to create a beautiful ambience for all our visitors and the team, and making sure that there's a lot of functionality in this space as well. The reception area sets the tone for the entire building. It's the first point of interaction, and I wanted it to reflect warmth and professionalism. We used a neutral palette of beige and cream tones, textured limestone walls, marble flooring to create a timeless, understated elegance, welcoming visitors while keeping the space functional. The accounts team area is designed for practicality and efficiency. The layout is open with clean lines and ample natural light to ensure the team has a comfortable, productive environment. For the chairman's office, the focus was on creating a space that balanced tradition and modernity, made the space both functional and reflective of the legacy of GM Syntex. Working together as teams, ideating, coming to decisions, we have meeting rooms exclusively on each and every floor, which makes it very convenient for the teams to, just huddle up and come to quick decisions. Keeping the practicality of the space in mind, every floor has a locker room, so it's easily accessible by the team. Coming to the first floor, where creativity takes center stage, the design studio layout is built to inspire. By eliminating overhead storage, we created an open, collaborative space where ideas flow freely. The area is the heart of our operations, where textiles and ideas are brought to life. Everything in the studio reflects our work with textiles. My office is where I spend some time ideating and creating. It was important for the space to feel functional and inspiring. The desk design is playful and pretty unconventional, while the chairs combine comfort and style. Personal touches like curated decor and textured finishes on the wall make this space uniquely mine. Height plays a very important role in enhancing aesthetics of any space, and we really wanted to retain that feature of this whole structure. We made sure that the windows are large and have a great height and allow ample light inside. And also each and every floor has a good height of more than 13 feet. So that's a bit unusual to a workspace in Bombay, but we wanted to retain that and bring character with height in every space. We're on the second floor of the building, and right behind me here is a very important room. It's a meeting room where, we decided to bring in a lot of daylight from all the sides and also puncturing the stab. And we got this massive skylight, which you can see right behind me. So the light is just flooding right from the top. And we have this massive discussion table underneath where, we work with fabrics and have a chat around. Getting the skylight was a big design challenge because this is a redesign and it's an old structure. But, we embraced it beautifully. The furniture around and the walls, which you can see, is very minimal, very clean, because the space had to be functional, which was very important, and at the same time, it creates a beautiful ambience. So the fact that, we end up spending our day around fabrics, looking at colors, looking at techniques, play of yarns, and you needed a calm and a soothing space, when you want to experience fabrics and you want to feel fabrics and you want to see how the fabric transitions into what you've actually designed, and fabric should be the hero around it. So now we are here on the rooftop, brand new feature to this building. We've created a cabana, which is, in this colors of terracotta, and then we have a lot of greens around us. So this was created to just, have a little sort of a detox space in this workspace where people can just come in, unwind and clear their mind space. And this almost feels like an oasis in the middle of the city. So getting this space in Mumbai, in the heart of the city, is unusual. And I think it's a perfect space to just be and relax and then get back to work. once you're ready. Every detail of this building was designed with intention, from the tactile textures to the play of light and material. The GM Syntex headquarters is a space that celebrates creativity, collaboration, and growth. This redesign represents the evolution of our brand. I hope this space inspires everyone who walks through these doors, just as it inspires us every day.